Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to basically remove device from Home Assistant. So let's get straight into it. So yeah, what you need to do is you need to go to your dashboard where you have your house or different stuff. And now what you are going to do is go here to the edit at the top right, edit dashboard. And now you need just to select which element you want to delete. So let's say a device. So what we have here, for example, let's delete this Nest Audio right here in the kitchen. So if you hover over with your mouse, you will see here edit button, or at the top right corner of this icon, you will see these three vertical dots. So click on that. And then, as you can see, you have a bunch of options, but the last one is for delete. Click on it and you will see that the device will be gone. And this is pretty much everything what you need to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.